Kinsco, right?
Exactly.
I'm Jay. Nice to meet you.
Christoph Weisinger, nice to meet you too.
Pleasure. So tell me about your company and kind of what products you're showing today.
Okay, so basically Kinsco is our Korean distributor from Ecophysics. So I'm actually representing Ecophysics,
Okay.
which is this analyzer over here.
Okay.
Kinsco actually covers like a wide range of different suppliers. As you can see here, the Airwell products that are being distributed and also partially developed by Kinsco, which you see over here, like laser performing analyzers, also UV they have.
Okay.
And I'm here for the CLD technology from a company called Ecophysics.
Okay.
The name is comprising from ecology and physics. Basically, that is our mission. So we develop analyzers to determine, for example, ambient air quality, emission monitoring, but also gas components for gas manufacturing.
Okay.
And physiology, like from physics, of course, everything has its physical characteristics, which we determine by the chemiluminescence principle. And that is actually our latest development, which I can show you here.
Sure.
So when you start building a chemiluminescence analyzer, this is usually the components that you need. I will put it here on the...
Oh, no worries. You can put it here. Our camera can capture and you can talk us through it.
Exactly. Like this. So basically, every chemiluminescence analyzer exists of this. You have 2 lines of gas flow that you need.
Okay.
Actually, the sample line that you see here, so that is actually the sample you want to measure.
Okay.
Then you have the air line, which is basically just sucking in ambient air.
Okay.
Then with an electrode with a high resistivity, we create ozone from the oxygen that we need to create this chemical reaction in here. So you will have the ozone reacting with your nitrogen oxide sample in the reaction chamber. It's a chemical reaction. It creates light.
Okay.
This light we can detect with a photodiode. And then basically we determine the nitrogen oxides. When you have the converter, you convert all the nitrogen oxides in the air into nitrogen monoxide.
Okay.
But there's also nitrogen monoxide inside the air anyway, so you will determine always those 2. Which means that is like pretty much the standard application that all the competitors have.
Okay.
So then, some time ago, we started building the 2-channel analyzers, which means that you have the NO and the NOx value, you can see here with the 2 lines, at the same time. So you get a reading at an instant for both values.
Okay.
This also gives us the possibility from the difference to tell that we also have nitrogen dioxide. That is the difference between the 2 channels.
Okay.
And now this is like the top line development, which you see over here, which is also advertised there on the board.
3 channels.
Is the 3-channel analyzer, which has 2 different types of converters, one for NOx and one for NOx amines, which you see also here. So when you see the difference between those 2 channels is NO2 and between those 2 is NH3, that would be this one. That's actually the 3 values that you see down here. That is at the moment a standalone product. There is nothing in the market at the moment like this. This analyzer gives you basically the capability of performing as 3 analyzers in one case.
Okay.
Because technologically, you always needed independent analyzers to have either NO2 or NH3. This one can do NO, NO2, NH3 at the same time.
And it's determining, the ultimate goal is to determine how much is going back into the atmosphere, or is it used to produce products? What's the goal, as someone who doesn't know about this, what's the goal of this data?
So basically this data is to give you an overview about how heavy the air pollution is. So the main application for this product is, for example, ambient air monitoring in cities, alongside roads.
Okay.
But also this is for the low concentration, but we also have the high concentration application, which is close to stacks from power plants, from cars, to determine whether your engines are working correctly. Is the factory following the governmental restrictions, all kinds of these applications. And that is basically where we come into the Korean market. Is emission control is a highly political sensitive subject here.
Yes.
And that is basically why we went into the market right here, because this is a huge opportunity for us to also implement our new analyzers together with Kinsco as our system integrator into the Korean market. This is one component of many. So basically Kinsco is offering you like the entire portfolio for all the components. This is the one focusing on the nitrogen-based gas components that we actually detect.
Wonderful. If you guys want to get more information about this technology, come on down. We only have a short time for each interview, but this is your representative product here today.
Exactly.
You have other solutions as well. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you for
You
coming.
did a great explanation that made it easy for me to understand
I
as
did.
well.
I'm doing my best. In case of any questions, please contact us anytime.
There you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you very
Enjoy
much.
Korea and have a good exhibition.